guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua. Today we are talking about the application which is JazzCash Business. So let's start the video and let's talk about it in detail. One account for all your business needs. And here are details. Collect the countless payments. Generate QR for any amount. Send payment request to your customer and many more things. Now I will tell you about the other details of this application and how you can get advantage by using this application. All things will be discussed in detail, but guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos and details. Empowering you to accept payment and track your business performance on the go. JazzCash Business provide a solution to all your business needs by bringing a world of payment option at palm of your hand. Moreover, it empowers you to track your business performance, to accept and manage payment from your customers, and to make your own business disbursements in an efficient manner. Moreover, manage your business on the go to getting real-time visibility of the money moving in and out of your account by using your many exciting features. Easy and swift registration process. Sign up easily in a few simple steps. With seamless registration process, request payment and generate invoices. Send, manage and track your payment request and invoices without any hassle. Easily edit and send reminder for delayed payment. Make instant payment refund to your customer. Easily refund payment directly to your customer account by using payment refund option. Get your business QR code. Receiving digital payments from your customer via QR code. Your QR code will be provided to you at the time of successful registration. You can display this QR code either digitally from the app or share it with your customer using the in-app share feature. Generate QR codes of any amount in real time. You can also generate customized QR code for any amount, making it easier than ever to collect digital payment. Order your JazzCash Business debit card. Track and manage your JazzCash Business debit card using the app. On receiving the card, you will be able to manage your card PIN and card blocking through app. Related to all that, if you have any question, then you can ask it to me in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua, must subscribe my YouTube. Related to all that, if you have any query, you can ask it to me in the comment section. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, must subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos and details. Keep watching and keep supporting my YouTube channel Maa Ki Dua. Thank you so much.